How to fix the Instagram schedule option not showing. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to check out in your Instagram or the Play Store or the App Store that you are using that your Instagram is update or not. So you just have to go in the search and simply search for your Instagram. Now once you are in, you have to click on it, and if it is not updated, you just have to update it to get its latest version, and after that you just have to go back and go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to go in the general and click on the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings and simply click on the Instagram. Now here you have to offload your app, and in the Android you have to clear the cache of your Instagram, and after that you just have to go back and you have to go into your Instagram, and here you have to check out. For that you have to click on this plus icon and go into your post to add the any of the video. Now you just have to go in the next, and here you have to go in the advanced setting, and here you have to make sure that the schedule option showing, and if it is not showing, for that you just have to go back and you have to exit your video and go into your profile. Now you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner and go in the settings and the privacy. Now you just have to scroll down and you have to go in the help, click on the report a problem and simply go in it. Now here you have to briefly explain that what happened, and here you have to type that your Instagram schedule option not showing, and here you have to mention your username and your email address, and you also have to add the screenshot of your post. So this is how you can fix the Instagram schedule option not showing. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.